we're here today to replace this broken period glass. So hacking out linseed putty in situ, the way glass is bedded into a timber frame is that the weather sealing linseed putty will sit into the rebate, then the glass is put down over top, and then more linseed putty is dressed in over the top. So you don't need much, but I'm always moving forward, and you can get into a rhythm and you can just move around. You don't really want too much in there. A couple of mil for it to sit into is ideal. I can apply very even pressure consistently. And the purpose of having the glass bedded into a layer of putty is that there's then a weather seal created all the way around the glass. The glass is cut just a smidge smaller than the rebates, so there's a tiny bit of movement in there. It's not dead tight that we've had to force the glass in, it can just drop in. You want it sitting comfortably within the rebates with my putty knife of choice. Just so. I start off into the corner, I apply the pressure and I move along. Not at great speed, but I'm applying pressure with my finger all the time, and I slow down and I can draw it off at the corner.